Hello and welcome to How to Influence with Unconscious Rapport, Mastering the Art of Matching and Mirroring. Thank you so much for enrolling in this course and taking advantage of this powerful tool to influence others. Many people struggle with influence because they aren't able to get that initial connection. In my course, Why Rapport is Important to Influence Others, I share some less known conscious techniques for creating rapport with others. These are really great ways to maintain rapport. This course takes creating rapport to a whole new level. In this course, we'll show you how to create rapport with someone from across the room. That's right, you can connect with a person without even speaking to them, without even being next to them. Sound too good to be true? It's called entrainment. It happens all the time around us. When people or things are around each other, they become like each other. An example is pendulum clocks. Many of you may know this already. In those old clock shops where they have the old grandfather clocks with the pendulums, they wind up the pendulum and they all start out different. But over time, they all end up in sync. They're not touching each other or linked in any physical way, yet they end up moving in sync. It's entrainment. Women know this best. Women exercise this entrainment ability all the time. When women hang out together for some time, they end up getting their periods at the same time. I'm sure you've heard of this before. They become like each other. So if women's periods can sync up and clocks can sync up, you can create rapport with a person across the room. And this course will show you how. The goal of this course is to share with you how you can connect with another person at their unconscious level. People like people who are like themselves. This will be explained further in the course. However, you can use specific techniques to connect directly to another person's unconscious mind. They will like you and not even know why. In most cases, they won't even think about it. They'll just like you, and you'll be on your way to creating a strong relationship with them. This is where you can influence people. How does this work? Well, people like people who are like themselves. When someone feels that there is a sameness with you, they like you, and trust follows from there. In short, you connect with unconscious rapport. The other person immediately begins to like you. You continue building the relationship and trust, and from this point you're able to influence them. Without the ability to create unconscious rapport, the first step becomes pretty hit and miss. Without that initial rapport, you don't even get to the point where they like you. It is rare that people trust someone they don't like. That is why these skills are so critical today. With more and more competition out there, you need every edge in the business world. But it's not just in business. These rapport skills work well at home too. These skills are great for connecting with your children. You can connect with an infant to help them sleep better. You can use these skills to increase the passion in your love life as well. If you are new to rapport skills, then I suggest you undertake Why Rapport is Important to Influence Others. This will give you a broader background in this area. It's not necessary to do this course, but it will help. This course won't take long. There's lots of knowledge here to help you along the way. It's fun and easy to follow. Just watch it through without overcomplicating it. Again, keep it simple. There are action steps along the way, and you're even awarded achievements as you progress through the course. As we can't see you, these awards are on an honor-based system. Please make sure you do the actions. The more you do them, the better you will get. At the end, there is a simple step-by-step process to follow in the Power Pack section. If you're really impatient, then feel free to skip ahead to the Power Pack. Knowledge is one part of learning, however, it is action which leads to results. You can get great results if you just do the actions outlined in the Power Pack, and the results are immediate. The skills taught here don't take a month or a year to learn. If you follow the skills in this course, you can start creating rapport straight away, and the benefits don't fade over time. The more you do the actions, the better you'll get. Soon you'll find you're having greater influence all the time. Okay, it's time to get started on your journey to influencing with unconscious rapport. So start diving in now, and we'll meet again in the next lecture. Again, thank you so much for enrolling in this course. I'm very excited to have you here.